तुम्हें हर बात में टोकने की ज़रूरत क्यों लगती है? Why do you feel the need to interrupt every time? Why do you feel the need to interrupt every time? अब कोशिश करूँगा कि ना टोकूं। I'll try not to interrupt now. I'll try not to interrupt now. मैं नहीं टोकता, तुम ही ऐसा सोचती हो। I don't interrupt, you just think so. I don't interrupt, you just think so. कभी कभी ज़रूरी होता है कुछ कहना। Sometimes it's important to say something. Sometimes it's important to say something. तुम्हें मेरी बातें मजाक क्यों लगती है? Why do you treat everything I say like a joke? Why do you treat everything I say like a joke? माफ़ करना, अब सीरियस लूँगा। Sorry, I'll take it seriously now. Sorry, I'll take it seriously now. क्योंकि तुम्हारी बातें मज़ेदार होती है। Because your words are funny. Because your words are funny. मजाक नहीं उड़ाता, हल्का माहौल रखने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I don't mock you, I just try to keep it light. I don't mock you, I just try to keep it light. तुम्हें मेरी पसंद की कोई चीज़ क्यों नहीं पसंद आती? Why don't you like anything I like? Why don't you like anything I like? अगली बार तुम्हारी पसंद से चलेंगे। Next time we'll go with your choice. Next time we'll go with your choice. क्योंकि तुम्हारी पसंद बहुत अजीब होती है। Because your taste is weird. Because your taste is weird. शायद हमें मिलकर कुछ नया ट्राई करना चाहिए। Maybe we should try something new together. Maybe we should try something new together. तुम्हारे पास मेरे लिए कभी टाइम क्यों नहीं होता? Why don't you ever have time for me? Why don't you ever have time for me? अब से समय निकालूंगा, वादा रहा। I'll make time from now on, I promise. I'll make time from now on, I promise. हमेशा मेरे ही ऊपर क्यों आ जाता है? Why is it always my fault? Why is it always my fault? काम ज़्यादा होता है पर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ। Work gets too much but I try. Work gets too much but I try. मेरी भावनाओं की कोई कीमत नहीं है तुम्हारे लिए? Don't my feelings matter to you at all? Don't my feelings matter to you at all? है, बहुत मायने रखते हैं। They do, they matter a lot. They do, they matter a lot. नहीं, बस अब बातें बनाना बंद करो। No, just stop creating drama now. No, just stop creating drama now. कभी कभी समझ नहीं पाता लेकिन कोशिश करता हूँ। Sometimes I don't understand but I do try. Sometimes I don't understand but I do try. तुम मेरी बातें कभी ध्यान से क्यों नहीं सुनते? Why don't you ever listen to me properly? Why don't you ever listen to me properly? अब से तुम्हारी बात पूरी सुनूंगा। From now on, I'll listen to you fully. From now on, I'll listen to you fully. क्योंकि तुम बहुत बार रिपीट करती हो। Because you repeat yourself a lot. Because you repeat yourself a lot. कभी कभी ध्यान कहीं और चला जाता है। Sometimes my mind drifts off. Sometimes my mind drifts off. तुम हमेशा फोन में ही क्यों घुसे रहते हो? Why are you always glued to your phone? Why are you always glued to your phone? चलो अब फोन साइड में रखता हूँ। All right, I'll put the phone aside now. All right, I'll put the phone aside now. तुम्हें तो बस बहाना चाहिए लड़ने का. You just need an excuse to fight. You just need an excuse to fight. कभी कभी काम का जवाब देना होता है. Sometimes I have to reply to work. Sometimes I have to reply to work. तुम्हें मेरी परवाह है भी या नहीं? Do you even care about me or not? Do you even care about me or not? हाँ, बहुत करता हूँ पर जाहिर नहीं कर पाता. Yes, I do a lot. I just don't express it well. Yes, I do a lot. I just don't express it well. नहीं, अब तुम्हारी बातों से थक गया हूँ. No, I'm tired of your words now. No, I'm tired of your words now. परवाह है पर हर बार जताना आसान नहीं होता. I care but expressing it every time isn't easy. I care but expressing it every time isn't easy. तुम हमेशा मेरी तुलना दूसरों से क्यों करते हो? Why do you always compare me with others? Why do you always compare me with others? अब से सिर्फ तुम्हारी कद्र करूंगा. From now on, I'll value only you. From now on, I'll value only you. क्योंकि दूसरे लोग बेहतर हैं तुमसे. Because others are better than you. Because others are better than you. कभी कभी तुलना अनजाने में हो जाती है. Sometimes comparisons happen unintentionally. Sometimes comparisons happen unintentionally. तुम्हें मेरी पसंद नापसंद का कोई ख्याल नहीं है क्या? Don't you care about my likes and dislikes? Don't you care about my likes and dislikes? अब से तुम्हारी पसंद का ध्यान रखूंगा. I'll take care of your likes from now. I'll take care of your likes from now. तुम्हारी पसंद कभी समझ नहीं आती. Your likes are hard to understand. Your likes are hard to understand. शायद मुझे तुम्हारी पसंद को और समझने की ज़रूरत है. Maybe I need to understand your choices better. Maybe I need to understand your choices better. जब मैं परेशान होती हूँ तो तुम खामोश क्यों हो जाते हो? Why do you go silent when I'm upset? Why do you go silent when I'm upset? माफ करना, अब से तुम्हें समझने की कोशिश करूंगा. Sorry, I'll try to understand you better now. Sorry, I'll try to understand you better now. क्योंकि तुम्हारी बातें सुनकर मैं भी चुप हो जाता हूँ. Because your words make me silent too. Because your words make me silent too. मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि क्या कहूँ उस वक्त. I don't know what to say at that moment. I don't know what to say at that moment. तुम हर बार अपनी बात सही क्यों मानते हो? Why do you always think you are right? Why do you always think you are right? ठीक है, अब से मैं तुम्हारी बात भी सुनूंगा. Okay, I'll listen to your side too now. Okay, I'll listen to your side too now. क्योंकि मेरी बात होती ही सही है. Because I'm right. Because I'm right. कई बार मुझे लगता है कि मैं गलत नहीं हूँ. Sometimes I just feel I'm not wrong. Sometimes I just feel I'm not wrong. जब मैं कुछ कहती हूँ तो तुम मजाक क्यों उड़ाते हो? Why do you make fun when I say something? Why do you make fun when I say something? अब से तुम्हारी हर बात को गंभीरता से लूँगा। From now, I'll take your words seriously. From now, I'll take your words seriously. क्योंकि तुम्हारी बातें सुनकर हंसी आती है। Because your words make me laugh. Because your words make me laugh. मैं सिर्फ माहौल हल्का करना चाहता था। I just wanted to lighten the mood. I just wanted to lighten the mood. तुमने आज तक मेरी तारीफ क्यों नहीं की? Why have you never complimented me? Why have you never complimented me? सच कहूँ तो तुम बहुत खास हो। Honestly, you are very special. Honestly, you are very special. क्योंकि मुझे कुछ खास नजर नहीं आया। Because I didn't see anything special. Because I didn't see anything special. मैं तारीफ करने में थोड़ा संकोची हूँ। I am just a little shy to compliment. I am just a little shy to compliment. तुम हर छोटी बात पर चिल्लाते क्यों हो? Why do you yell at every little thing? Why do you yell at every little thing? अब से गुस्सा नहीं करूँगा, वादा है। I promise I won't get angry now. I promise I won't get angry now. क्योंकि तुम हर बात को बढ़ा चढ़ा कर कहती हो। Because you exaggerate everything. Because you exaggerate everything. मुझे गुस्सा जल्दी आ जाता है, लेकिन मैं सुधारना चाहता हूँ। I get angry quickly, but I want to change. I get angry quickly, but I want to change. तुम्हें समझाना इतना मुश्किल क्यों हो गया है? Why has it become so hard to explain things to you? Why has it become so hard to explain things to you? शायद मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा रिएक्ट कर रहा हूँ। Maybe I'm overreacting a bit. Maybe I'm overreacting a bit. मुझे कुछ समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। I don't need to understand anything. I don't need to understand anything. कभी-कभी बातों को गलत समझ लेता हूँ। Sometimes I misunderstand things. Sometimes I misunderstand things. इतनी चुप्पी क्यों साथ रखी है? Why are you so silent? Why are you so silent? सोच रहा था कि पहले तुम्हें सुन लूं। I thought I should listen to you first. I thought I should listen to you first. मुझे कुछ बोलने का मन नहीं है। I don't feel like saying anything. I don't feel like saying anything. बस यूं ही, कोई खास वजह नहीं। Just like that, no specific reason. Just like that, no specific reason. आज फिर गुस्सा किस बात पर है? Why are you angry about again today? Why are you angry about again today? थोड़ा थका हुआ हूँ, इसलिए चिड़चिड़ा लग रहा है। I'm just tired, that's why I seem irritated. I'm just tired, that's why I seem irritated. तुम्हारी हरकतें ही गुस्से का कारण है। Your actions are the reasons for my anger. Your actions are the reason for my anger. पता नहीं, शायद मूड ही खराब है। I don't know, maybe it's just my mood. I don't know, maybe it's just my mood. मुझे गलत समझने की इतनी जल्दी क्या है? Why are you so quick to misunderstand me? Why are you so quick to misunderstand me? नहीं, मैंने अब समझ लिया है तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो। No, I now understand what you mean. No, I now understand what you mean. तुम्हारी बातें समझने लायक नहीं होती. Your words don't make sense. Your words don't make sense. कभी कभी मैं जल्दबाजी कर जाता हूँ. Sometimes I jump to conclusions. Sometimes I jump to conclusions. तुमसे आराम से बात भी नहीं हो सकती. Can't I even talk to you peacefully? Can't I even talk to you peacefully? हाँ, चलो बैठकर शांति से बात करते हैं. Yes, let's sit and talk calmly. Yes, let's sit and talk calmly. तुम खुद तो कभी शांति से नहीं बोलते. You never talk calmly yourself. You never talk calmly yourself. अभी सही वक्त नहीं है शायद. Maybe this isn't the right time. Maybe this isn't the right time. हर चीज में टांग अड़ाने की जरूरत है क्या? Do you have to interfere in everything? Do you have to interfere in everything? मैं सिर्फ मदद करना चाह रहा था. I just wanted to help. I just wanted to help. हाँ, क्योंकि मुझे सब कुछ कंट्रोल करना है. Yes, because I want to control everything. Yes, because I want to control everything. तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है, लेकिन मेरा इरादा वो नहीं था. You feel that way, but that wasn't my intention. You feel that way, but that wasn't my intention. कुछ कहना है तो सीधे कहो ना. If you have something to say, just say it directly. If you have something to say, just say it directly. ठीक है, मैं साफ साफ कह देता हूँ. All right, I'll say it clearly. All right, I'll say it clearly. तुमसे बात करना ही बेकार है. Talking to you is pointless. Talking to you is pointless. सोच रहा था कि सही वक्त का इंतजार करूं. I was waiting for the right time. I was waiting for the right time. हर बार मेरी गलती क्यों गिनाते हो? Why do you always count my mistakes? Why do you always count my mistakes? माफ करना, मैं बार बार नहीं दोहराऊंगा. Sorry, I won't bring it up again. Sorry, I won't bring it up again. क्योंकि तुम कभी अपनी गलती मानते ही नहीं. Because you never accept your faults. Because you never accept your faults. कभी कभी गुस्से में बोल देता हूँ. Sometimes I say things in anger. Sometimes I say things in anger. इतनी नाराजगी किस बात की है? What are you upset about? What are you upset about? शायद मैंने तुम्हें अनदेखा कर दिया. Maybe I ignored you unknowingly. Maybe I ignored you unknowingly. कोई भी तुम्हारी परवाह नहीं करता. No one cares about you. No one cares about you. नाराज नहीं हूँ, बस थोड़ी देर अकेले रहना चाहता हूँ. Not upset, just want to be alone for a while. Not upset, just want to be alone for a while. बोलना बंद कर देना ही हल है क्या? Is staying silent the only solution? Is staying silent the only solution? नहीं, बात करना ही तो सुलह का तरीका है. No, talking is the way to solve it. No, talking is the way to solve it. हाँ, क्योंकि बात करने से और लड़ाई होती है. Yes, because talking makes things worse. Yes, because talking makes things worse. कभी कभी चुप रहना ही बेहतर होता है. Sometimes silence is better. Sometimes silence is better. बहस करना जरूरी है क्या हर बार? Is it necessary to argue every time? Is it necessary to argue every time? नहीं, हम शांति से भी बात कर सकते हैं. No, we can talk peacefully too. No, we can talk peacefully too. तुम्हारी बातें ही बहस लायक होती है. Your words invite arguments. Your words invite arguments. कभी कभी बहस खुद ही हो जाती है. Sometimes arguments just happen. Sometimes arguments just happen. इतने छोटे से मुद्दे पर भी गुस्सा? Angry over such a small thing? Angry over such a small thing? नहीं, बात कुछ और थी जो चुप रही थी. No, something else was bothering me. No, something else was bothering me. तुमने ही इसे बड़ा बना दिया. You made it a big issue. You made it a big issue. शायद आज मेरा दिन ही खराब है. Maybe it's just a bad day for me. Maybe it's just a bad day for me. हमेशा तुम्हें ही समझना पड़ेगा क्या? Will you always be the one to adjust? Will you always be the one to adjust? नहीं, मैं भी तुम्हें समझने की कोशिश करूँगा. No, I'll try to understand you too. No, I'll try to understand you too. क्योंकि तुम कभी किसी को समझते ही नहीं. Because you never try to understand anyone. Because you never try to understand anyone. चलो इस बार मैं समझौता कर लेता हूँ. Let me adjust this time. इतना इग्नोर क्यों कर रहे हो आजकल? Why are you ignoring me these days? Why are you ignoring me these days? नहीं, बस थोड़ा बिजी था. No, I was just a bit busy. No, I was just a bit busy. तुम्हें इग्नोर करना जरूरी हो गया है. It has become necessary to ignore you. It has become necessary to ignore you. ध्यान नहीं दिया, ऐसा लग रहा है क्या? Didn't realize it. Does it feel that way? Didn't realize it. Does it feel that way? क्या कभी सब कुछ पहले जैसा हो पाएगा? Can everything ever be the same again? Can everything ever be the same again? हाँ, अगर हम कोशिश करें तो जरूर हो सकता है. Yes, if we try, it definitely can. Yes, if we try, it definitely can. अब पहले जैसा कुछ नहीं रह गया है. Nothing will ever be like before. Nothing will ever be like before. समय के साथ सब बदल जाता है. Time changes everything. Time changes everything. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.